Hello again, Pietro here. Got a little something in the mail. Oh, it's here we go. Foldable, full-size, wireless keyboard and mouse combo. All right, so we have the mouse, we have the keyboard. Okay, let's flip. We'll do the top-down thing, and you're gonna see. I got tape on my knife. Knife safety, right, Malakwa? Here we go. Ooh, there's something in there. This is going to be fun because I needed a new keyboard and mouse, something more portable to go between working from home and working in the office. Ooh, and there's a case. We have the rolling date. Ooh, 2.4 gigahertz connection technology, 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth. Very nice. 300 milliamp battery. Keyboard, 210. Honestly, I would have expected a larger battery in the keyboard versus the mouse, but that's neither here nor there. And this is model number XKM01, and I'll put a link in the description below. I also like zippers. Oh.
There we go. Foldable, full-size keyboard, mouse combo.
Oh, man, this reminds me of a floppy disk. We're gonna have to use the Kershaw again. Make a small incision. That's cool. USB-A to USB-C for charging. Throw away. Do not eat. Nice coloring. Okay, now this is, yeah, it's easy open, but it would be more fun to use the knife. And then, oh wow, a very low profile mouse. I like low profiles. That is a lot different than the mouse I'm currently using. My mouse just went on a diet. Oh, I love the orange. No batteries and a little case for the connector. Nice branding. ProtoArc. Charging port right in the front. Slight little clicking noise. I like that. Big question. Can I get it back in the case? Yes. And then we'll put that up there. Put that right there. Put the charging cable. So we got that charged. It shows green when it's fully charged. You just fold out the keyboard. There's one thing that's really important to me on a keyboard, the sound of the keyboard. Follow the yellow rabbit. It jumps over the lazy doggy. Enter space. So this is what the mouse and the keyboard are gonna look like when they're out on your beautiful wooden desk. I must say the presentation is nice. Oh yeah. Very gratifying to fold that and open it. In an earlier shoot, I had this coin battery, and yes, there are magnets on the keyboard that help it close quickly. Pretty fun, pretty fun. I would have liked maybe 2 chargers so I could charge both the keyboard and the mouse at the same time. One thing that is really amazing about this product is the portability. And when I'm traveling and I'm using a public computer, I prefer just to use my own, and the portability and how quickly it connects through the USB-A connector, it just works. I just love folding it and opening. That's just a lot of fun for me, so I do that a lot. It's low profile, it's thin, it's lightweight, it fits in a really small bag, and of course it has the case. So this is how easy it is to put away. It just slides right in there. Then you grab the mouse, there's a little case for that. And then you do want to turn the mouse off, but you don't have to. The battery life has been great. I haven't charged either the keyboard or the mouse for weeks. Love that zipper sound. And then you just put the case back in your bag and you're ready to go. So this is me using the keyboard to do editing on my Mac. The only thing I don't like, sometimes the space bar can be a bit touchy. And I've contacted ProtoArc and they're gonna send me a replacement keyboard soon. Other than that, I haven't had any issues with the device. The mouse is good too. I haven't had any issues with the mouse. Really good sensitivity, and I need very precise scrolling and very precise navigation when I am doing film editing. And we're back in the studio. So all that footage that you saw was shot weeks ago. We are now in late October. Halloween is in a few days. Let's see if they just automatically reconnect to the laptop, even though it's been a while. And all we should have to do is unfold the keyboard, turn on the mouse like so, and then we take this and we plug it into the laptop. So this is the universal receiver here. Blip. Okay, there we go. So this is on, and then it's going to the receiver, and it's working. See? That was easy, right? I thought that was pretty easy. So now if I type right here, the Windows key comes up, and we can open Notepad, and now we can change the camera view. Oh, where's my other microphone? Hang on. I really like the Rode microphones because they're so portable. Hello? Actually, we'll use German. Hello. My name is Pietro. And funny enough, that spacebar issue that I was having, it seems to have taken care of itself. I thought that was pretty good. I don't know what else to tell you, but it just works. So thank you to ProtoArc for allowing me to use these two products. Love the case, love the battery life. I like that they're USB-C and not micro USB. So there's the port right there that we covered. And I just charge them on my lunch break and they're good for another 2 to 3, it depends how much you use them. I've never had to charge them more than once every 3 weeks. So apparently I need to work more than 50 hours a week. Again, it's going to depend on your usage. And that's it. Thanks for your time. Pithy comments, type those down below, and I'll have another review about some gadget. I don't know if it's going to be a keyboard and mouse, but it's going to be something. Maybe this, the Coros heart rate monitor. Yeah, I just unboxed this last night and it's a pretty cool thing. If you want to like and subscribe, that's great. If you want to share this with your mom, that's great too. If you hated my video, it's a free world. Pithy comments, type those down below. No swearing please, or I'll delete it. I hope you enjoy your Saturday. And yes, let the credits roll for the Paramount Kid. Goodbye.